See, boss, them, yeah? Come up this morning, change up what I clean, I said, they try get them done. So all of them done there. Well, easy, but I have to come up from wind still, but sure. I don't want to. I've got to look back at one day. Yeah, man, get up, muck up them water and something. So tomorrow I get them back some molasses again. Give them this today and something. So they come and feed me, give them fresh water. I end up each up so. You see me? They mostly up on your side. You see me? I do not say breeze or blow more. I smell them end up pressure more. Some more cool or any slower side more. Up on good man, I get fat man, see them there? You see me? Till 3 weeks now. You see me? Exactly 3 weeks. And things said we. So tomorrow I give them back in molasses. So every day I just do it on this skippy. You see me?